In this video, I will share with you the easiest ICT strategy that you will be able to use in order to pass your FTMO challenge. I use this ICT strategy on a daily basis in order to grow my accounts and also to send trades in my SMC trading group. And what better way to explain the strategy than showing you how I applied it 2 days ago on a trade I took and also sent in my SMC trading group, a trade that one of the members took on his FTMO challenge, and with the help of it he was able to pass the test and secure $6,047 in only 9 minutes. So if that sounds interesting, let's hop on the charts. Alright, so this is exactly when I opened the chart 2 days ago on NAS 100. I used this ICT strategy on the M15 time frame, and in order to apply it, you need to understand the 3 following concepts. Number 1, imbalance or fair value gaps. Number 2, liquidity concepts. You need to be able to spot liquidity to know where liquidity is sitting in the markets. And most importantly, you need to be able to spot liquidity sweeps. And number 3, supply and demand. I will use the bar replay mode to show you exactly how I applied all 3 of these concepts on this setup on NAS 100. So right here, like I said, I opened the chart and the first thing that I saw was that NAS 100 was intraday bullish. Why? Very simple. We can see that price was constantly breaking structure to the upside, heading higher and higher. So because of that, I was more keen to look for a bullish setup. After that, I wanted to see whether we have a aggressive break of structure. Basically, by aggressive, I mean a break of structure that left imbalance behind. If there's no imbalance behind, that break of structure is not valid for me. And then I was able to see this break right here, okay, that left this huge fair value gap behind. This for me was a very valid break of structure because of this imbalance, hence why I then focused on this area right here. After that, I wanted to see if liquidity was swept beforehand, because I need to see a liquidity sweep followed by a impulsive break that leaves imbalance behind. And then the last step is for me to identify the point of origin, which can be either a unmitigated demand level or a unmitigated supply level. So going back to this area, we can see that if we zoom in, price swept liquidity right here as well. Okay, below this low, price swept liquidity with this fake out to the downside. So we have a liquidity sweep. We were able to identify where liquidity was swept. We also have a aggressive break of structure. Why? Because we were able to identify this huge fair value gap. And lastly, we now need to identify the point of origin, which in this case is this unmitigated demand level right here. So this is exactly how I applied all 3 concepts. After that, I placed a buy limit on top of this unmitigated demand level. And I forgot to mention, I took both of these bearish candles for the demand level. Why? Because the zone was too small if I would have took only this small candle right here. So after that, I placed a buy limit right on top of it, which was right around here. The stop loss was right below it, okay? And the last take profit was at 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio. I then sent this trade in my SMC trading group as well. I will attach a picture on the screen right now to show you exactly when this trade was sent. And now let's play the price and see what happened. So right here it triggered and it smashed all of the targets. If we go on the 1 minute, we can see that this trade smashed all of the targets in 9 minutes. Okay, of course, it faced a bit of drawdown, but after that, it reversed straight into profit and it smashed all the targets. And this is the exact trade that one of my members took on his FTMO challenge. And with it, he was able to secure $647 in only 9 minutes and also pass the test. Of course, with this trade, as well as with the previous trades that were sent in the SMC trading group that he took on his account. I think it took him around 3 weeks to pass the challenge with the trades that are sent in the SMC trading group. And of course, on that note, you should feel free to join it. It is the first link down below in the video description. And yeah, this is exactly how I was able to take this setup by applying the 3 concepts I just went over. Once again, imbalance, liquidity concepts, and lastly, supply and demand. And of course, please let me know down below in the comment section if you enjoy these type of videos. And of course, if you have any feedbacks, that would be very much appreciated. And make sure you are subscribed as well to not miss out on any future uploads. And on that note, till the next upload, a very important video will pop on the screen right now. It is a video where I go over 6 things I wish I knew when I started trading Forex, things that would have made my journey a lot easier. So make sure to check it out. And lastly, I want to wish you all the best and take care.